Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about the user input. So when you want to get data from the user, and you can manipulate, or you can use the input function in Python here, like the code that I write here. So we have the variable first name and equals input. Please enter your first name. Alright, variable last name also the same, age, jobs, and salary. So for this print statement, I am used the double triple quote to format the job, to format the information of user or employee info. So the input function is used to get data from the user. So let's test this code. Alright, so I would just say again and click run Python file. Okay, so on the terminals we need to input data that the program needed. Let me provide some data here. So the first name, I would say Ali, and the last name John, and the age is 18. For the jobs, engineer. Okay, and salary, you can put anything what you want. I put this $500. So after we input all our data, so the program will take the data from the user input and display over here as we format in this program, like this, for full name, first name plus last name, and age equal age, jobs equal job, salary equal salary. As you can see here, the format here